Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create free or unlimited AI videos using Hailuo AI. Step 1. Go to the Hailuo AI website and sign up with your email address or Google account. Step 2. Once you are logged in, choose AI video from the dashboard. Step 3. Enter your script or paste a blog or article text that you want to convert into a video. Step 4. Select the voiceover language and the virtual avatar or presenter that you want. Step 5. Customize the video by adjusting the background, transition, and pacing. Step 6. Click Generate and wait for the AI to process your content into a video. Step 7. Download or share the video once rendering is complete. Now, you can create multiple short videos without a paid plan. True export quality may be limited, but it is for longer or HD videos. Consider upgrading. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.